Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Living Flavors with Sunitha. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make falafel. It is a very simple recipe that we can make out of chickpeas. It is a healthy one too. You can have it as an evening snack or even a starter if you're hosting a party. You can also use this as a stuffing for any roll, chapati roll. It would be a yummy one. It's very mild in flavor and it is very simple to make. Come on, let's get started. I have taken 1.5 cups of chickpeas today. I washed it completely and soaked it in water overnight. Now I'm going to drain all the water and add it to a food processor. To this I'm going to add 2 onions which I have roughly chopped, 8 to 9 cloves of garlic, 3 green chillies. You can adjust this according to your spice level. Handful of mint leaves, maybe half a cup, and half a cup of coriander leaves. To this I'm also adding salt as required and the juice of half a lemon. Now I'm going to grind this into a coarse paste. After pulsing it for few minutes, I'm just adding 2 teaspoons of baking soda and grinding it well. And along with this, I'm going to add 1 bread. You can also add 2 to 3 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. This is just to act as a binding agent. Now all the ingredients are well combined. I'm going to transfer this to a bowl. And now the oil is hot to fry. I'm just reusing the oil in which I have fried fryams. So that is why it is looking like so. So now I'm going to make it into balls and going to drop it in the oil. You can make any shapes that you want. You can also do it just like vada. And now this will not take more than 3 to 4 minutes. Ensure it turns golden brown in color and then you can transfer this to a tissue paper. Make sure you cook it on high flame so that it will not absorb more oil. And now this is ready. We'll transfer this. As we have added breadcrumbs, it will hold its shape. Our yummy falafel recipe is now ready. It's time to taste. As soon as I bite into it, I can feel the flavors from the coriander leaves and also the mint leaves that we have added. And also it is very soft because of the baking soda that we have added. It is not so crunchy or crispy. The outer layer is still crunchy. Definitely give this a try. It is a very healthy snack and a very simple one too. Do try and share your valuable comment in the feedback section below. And if you like this video, do give a huge thumbs up and support me. It really means a lot to me. See you guys next time with another interesting recipe or another interesting video. Until then, take care. Bye.